Hello viewers, welcome to my channel International Physics with Wazir. Viewers, in today's lecture we are going to solve a multiple choice questions, MCQs related to the introduction to physics. This video consists of 100 MCQs. Okay, in this video we are going to solve 100 MCQs. How many MCQs? 100 MCQs. Viewers, and here for you question number 1. MCQs number 1. Statement of the question number 1. Systematic, organized knowledge of a physical world gained by experiment and observation known as. 4 options for you: physics, chemistry, biology, science. Physics, chemistry, biology, science. Which option is correct? Systematic, organized knowledge. Yes, you are thinking right. It's the correct option is D. And D is what? It is a science, a systematic, organized knowledge of a physical world gained by experiment and observation known as physics. Oh, science. Another question for you. Science divided into dash categories: 4, 6, 3, 2. Think it. Think it. How many categories of a science? Yes, you are thinking right. Science categorized into 2 categories. Correct option is D. Which are they? Science categorized into a real science, pseudoscience. Real science and pseudoscience. Science categorized into 2 categories. Science categorized into 2 categories. Another question for you. Which type of a science in which a reality doesn't change? In which a reality doesn't change? Real science, pseudoscience, mental science, none of these. In which type of a science where a reality doesn't change? In a real science, the reality doesn't change. In real science, where reality doesn't change. Okay, the another question number 4, and we are going to discuss about the question number 4. Here are the question number 4. Which type of a science in which a reality change? Which type of a science in which a reality change? 4 options for you. Here are real science, pseudoscience, mental science, none of these. I think you are thinking right. I think you are thinking right. Yes, it is a pseudoscience where reality change. But in a real science where reality doesn't change. Another question for you. A physical and biological sciences are concerned with. Physical and biological science are concerned with real science. Obviously it is correct. They are concerned with real science. Physical science or biological science are concerned with real science. What? Real science. Question number 6. Social sciences are concerned with. Social sciences are concerned with. Yes, thinking right. Pseudoscience? Obviously it is correct. Pseudosciences. Social science is concerned. In a social science, the reality change. The reality change. And the question for you. Here, question number 7. Which type of a science in which a study concerned with non-living matters? Number 1 is a biological science. Number 2 is a social science. Number 3 is a physical science. Number D is a chemical science. Think it. You have a 10 second. Yes, physical science. Study about the non-living matters. Non-living matters and non-living things. They are concerned with the physical science. Another question for you. Which type of a science in which is study concerned with the human society and social behavior? Obviously, it is what type of a science? It is not a biological, it is not a physical, it is not a chemical. It is what type of a science? It is a social science. Another question for you. Physics is a branch of a science in which study about matter and energy and interaction between them with the concern. Physics with the concern with biological? No. Social? No. Chemical? No. Yes, physics is a concern with. Physics is a concern with physical science. Physics is a concern with physical science. Physics is the branch of a science in which you study about matter and energy and interaction between them. Concerned with what type? Physical science. Another question for you. Physics is divided into dash categories. Thinking 1, no, 3, no, 2. Yes, physics is categorized into 2 categories. Classical physics and modern physics. Physics is categorized into 2 categories, classical and modern physics. Another question for you. Classical physics bases on 1 and 2 dimension, maybe Newton's laws of motion, microscopic particle, all of them. Yes, classical physics bases on a 1 and 2 dimension motion, 1 and 2, Newton's laws of motion, first, second, third, macroscopic particle, like a force applying on a particle, D, all of them. So correct option is a D, all of them. Another question for you. A modern physics bases on 3 and 4 dimension. Yes. Theory of relativity. Yes. Microscopic particle. Yes. All of them. Yes. Correct option is a D. Correct option is D. A modern physics bases on a 3 dimension, time dilation, theory of relativity, microscopic particle. Supplementary units are known as they are derived? No. Small? Yes. The correct option is positive? No. None of these? No. The correct option is a small units. First concept of an atom was given by Archimedes, Democritus, Aristotle, or Dalton. Which type of a scientist? Which scientist discovered the first concept of atom? Think it. You are thinking right, it's a Democritus is the name of scientist who was the first scientist was given by the concept of atom. Another question for you. Question number 15. The unit which is not derived from the following unit, which unit is not a derived unit? Joule is derived? Yes. Watt is derived? Yes. Candela is derived? No. Newton is derived. Correct option is C. Correct option is C. Another type of a question. amount of substance in term of a number measured in gram, no, mole, maybe, candela, no, Calvin, no. The correct option is mole. Amount of substance in term of a number of moles measured in mole. The change SI unit by factor of a 10 into smaller or bigger. Suppose 1 meter into 10 into kilometer into decimeter into megameter into terameter into gigameter into hexaoctameter. Many. It's a prefixes. These are prefixes. Another question for you. If we add 0.71 is added to 1.67. 0.71. Its answer is 16.71. The correct option is D. ML square T inverse cube. ML square T inverse cube is a dimension of what? No. Torque? No. Force? No. It's a dimension of power. It's a dimension of power. Another question for you. Let's see. The Planck's constant, the dimension for mass, for length and for time is in Planck's constant, the dimension for, you know Planck's constant options are here. E is equal to HF. We are going to H is a Planck constant is equal to E upon F. Here is what? E is ml over T square, and its a dimension of frequency is a reciprocal of a time period is a 1 upon T. Then H is equal to ml T over T square, 1 T cancel, ml T inverse. So m1 L, energy is ml, L square, T inverse 1. The correct option is A, m L square and T inverse. Correct option is A. The power, the dimension of a mass for a length and for a time, power is equal to ml square T inverse cube. 1, 2 minus 3. Which option is correct? C option is correct. C option is correct. The gravitational constant, the dimension for mass, for length, for time, gravitational constant is equal to m inverse L cube T square inverse square, minus 1, 3, minus 2. Correct option is C. Correct option is C. Another question for you. Same question. Now we continue 24. Okay, viewer. Okay viewers, and we are going to discuss about the question number 24. Magnitude of a force F experienced by a certain object moving with a speed v by the expression F is equal to, expression is F is equal to kv cube. What is the dimension of k? What is the dimension of k? So we are going to find the dimension of a k, F v cube, F dimension m L over T square into 1 upon L over T cube. K is equal to ml over T square into T cube over L cube. 1L cancel, T square. K is equal to m L inverse square T. So the correct option is C. The correct option is C. M L inverse square T. M L inverse square T. What is the dimension of a K from this expression? M L inverse square T. Another question for you. Question number 25, student and viewers, and question number 25, the number of a significant figure in 9.1 into 10 is power minus 31 kilogram are. How many significant figure? 4 options here, 3, 10, 31, 2. Which option is the correct? Exponent form are not considered as a significant figure. These are not considered as a significant figure. The correct one is 9.1 into 10 is power minus 31 consists of 2 significant digits. Another question, question number 26. Find the option of 5 significant figure. Find the option of 5 significant figure. Here are 4, here are 4, here are 4, here are 5. The correct option is D. Correct option is D. The option for 4 significant figure. Option for 4 significant figure. 2.608, 0.026008, 26.8, 2.6008. Which option is the correct? Which option is the A option is correct? 2.608 consists of 4 significant figure. Another question for you. Question number 28. 28. 7 basic SI units are. 4 options here. Meter, watt, second, ampere, Newton, and Kelvin, mole. Which option is here is the watt. Watt is not a SI. That's why this option is wrong. Meter, Pascal is not a SI. That's why it's a Pascal is not a basic. It's a derived. Meter, kilogram, second, ampere, candela, Kelvin, mole. Yes, a C option is correct. Here is a C option is right. That's why we have considered it's a C. A 7 basic SI units are meter, kilogram, second, ampere, candela, Kelvin, mole. Another question for you. Question number 29. Dimension of a work. Here is a mistake in MCQs. Here is the dimension of and number of moles. Number of moles. Yes, it's a capital N. Dimension of a number of moles is a capital N. How many significant figure in this number? 100.000. These 2 are not considered. These 3 are considered. This one. How many significant figure? 4 significant figure. How many significant figure? 4 significant figure are considered. Another question for you. Question number 31. The dimensions of work. Work. What is the dimension of work? Work is equal to F dot D. Work is equal to ML over T square into L. It's ML square T inverse square. ML square T inverse square. It's a correct option is B. It's the correct option is B. Another question. Question number 32 for you. Question number 32 for you is. It is the branch study about the physical aspect of a sound. Sound. Options are waves, their production, properties and application. Thermodynamics, no. Kinematics, no. Acoustics, yes. It's a correct option is acoustics is a branch of physics in which study about the sound wave, how sound produce, how sound propagate. Another question for you. Which of the following is not a derived unit? Newton, meter per second, kilogram, second. Second is not a derived unit. It's a fundamental or basic unit. Which of the following is a correct representation of a pressure? Newton per meter square. N is a capital, M is a small. Correct option is C. Here N, M, capital, it's wrong. Here both are small, wrong. Here both are capital, wrong. So correct option is C. Which equation is not dimensionally correct? A is equal to, it's correct. VF is equal to VR plus AT, it is also correct. S is equal to half AT square is also correct. This equation, so correct option, S is equal to VT square. S is L over T into T square, 1 T cancel, L is L T. So this equation is not dimensionally correct. Another question for you, 36. The branch of physics which deal with the structure, properties and various phenomena regarding nuclei. Atomic physics, no. Astrophysics, no. Plasma physics, no. The correct option is C. It's a nuclear physics. Another question for you. In MKS system, unit of a current is ampere is a unit of a current. This is not, volt is not, coulomb is not, ohm is not. The new era of modern physics began near the end of 19th century. The new era of modern physics began at the time of and begin the start of the 19th century. Another question, 39. Which of the following physical quantity represented by the dimension m inverse L cube T square? Yes, you are thinking right. It's a gravitational constant. Another MCQs. 1 megakilometer is equal to 1 mega means 1 megakilometer is equal to 1 mega times power 6 into 3. So 1 megakilometer is equal to times power 9, and we call it's 1 gigameter. Giga it's considered as a times power 9. Another MCQ for you, 41. The dimension of luminescent intensity is capital J. The dimension of luminescent intensity is capital J. Another question for you. The average distance between the sun and earth. Here is the sun, here is the earth. The average distance is 1 AU, astronomical unit. Here is a 1 astronomical unit. Another question, 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.49 into 10 power 11 meter. 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.49 into 10 power 11 meter. Another question for you, question number 44. 1 light year is equal to 4.9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 is power 15 meter. Another question, 1 parsec. 1 parsec is equal to 3.1 into 10 is power 16 meter. Another question, 1 foot is equal to, are you feeling easy? This is a very easy question and it consists of a 12 inch. Another question, 1 inch is equal to dash meter. It consists of 0.0254 meter. 1 tera is equal to, it's a tera, it means a tera, 10 is power 12. It's a tera. 1 tera is equal to 10 is power 12 meter or anything else. 1 millimeter is equal to dash micron. 10 is power 3000, all of them. This is the correct option is all of them. 1 mile is equal to 1 mile is equal to 1 mile is equal to 1.609 into 10 is power 3 meter. This is the correct option. Which is the largest unit? Which is the largest unit? No doubt, parsec is a largest unit. 10 is power 16. 1 micron is equal to 1 micron is equal to micron, micrometer. Yes, 1 micron is equal to dash meter. It is consists of 1 into 10 is power minus 6 meter. Another question, 1 nanometer is equal to 1 into 10 is power minus 6, 1 into 10 is power 55, 1 into 10 is power minus 4, 1 into 10 is power minus 9. Nanometer, you are thinking right. It's 1 into 10 is power minus 9 meter. Another question for you, 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom is equal to 1 angstrom is equal to 1 into 10 is power minus 10 meter. 1 angstrom is equal to 1 into 10 is power minus 10 meter. The correct option is a B. Another question, 1 acre is equal to 10,4046 meter square. The area of 1 acre is equal to 4046 meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 1 hectare is equal to 10 is power 4 means 10,000 meter square area equal to 1 hectare. Another question for you, question number as 57. If a p is a momentum of an object and here is a p square over m, the p is equal to mv square upon m. Here is a square, so m square v square over m, 1m cancel, mv square, it's m l square t inverse square. The dimension is ml square t square. It's the dimension of energy. From this expression we have concluded the dimension of energy. Some question, which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? This is wrong. 1000 centimeter max 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. It means this is also wrong. Centimeter square is not a unit of area. 36 feet is equal to yard. So this is a correct option. Which of the following is the smallest unit? Its smallest unit is a Fermi, 10 power minus 16. 10 is power minus 16. Which of the following? Same question repeated. 1 shake. Shake is a unit of a time. Shake is a unit of time. 1 shake is equal to 10 is power minus 8 second. Some are right in some books are written that it is a 10 is power minus 9. Yes, but exactly it is a 10 is power minus 8. One match number is equal to match number what? One match number is equal to velocity of a sound. Velocity of a sound. One kip is equal to 448 Newton. It is a kip is a unit of a force. 1 kip is equal to 448 Newton. It means a kip is a biggest unit of a force. Kip is a biggest unit of a force. Another question for you, and question is 931 mega electron constitute 1 AMU. 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 931 mega electron volt. Mega electron volt. Another question, which of the following is not a unit of a length? A leap year, lunar month, solar day. Solar day is not a unit of a length. All are a unit of a length only. Solar day is not a unit of a length. The area of a circle is 78.5 square meter. What is the radius? Area is equal to pi r square. Area upon pi is equal to r square. R square. What's the value of a 78.5 divided by 3.14? It means 25. Taking radical of a 25, it may convert into 5 meter. The correct option is a B, 5 meter. 1 nautical mile is equal to 1.85 or 1.8692 into 10 is power 3 meter. The multiple factor of a Zapto. Zapto is a 10 is power minus 21. Zapto is equal to minus 21. Zapto is equal to minus 21. Another question, the multiple factor of a Yocto is Yocto. It's 1 Yocto is equal to 10 is power minus 24. 1 Yocto is equal to 10 is power minus 24. Another question for you, the multiple factor of a pico. You know 1 picofarad. 10 is power minus 12. 10 is power minus 12. The multiple factor of a atto. 1 atto is equal to atto, the showing representation of 10 is power minus 18. Correct option is C. Another question, the multiple factor of a deci. 1 deci is equal to 10 is power minus 1. 1 deci is equal to 10 is power minus 1. The multiple factor of a femto. Multiple factor of a femto. 1 femto. Femto is equal to 10 is power minus 15. 10 is power minus 15. The multiple factor of a giga. 1 giga. It's a 10 is power 9. 1 giga, mega, giga, tera. Okay, mega, giga, tera. It's 1 giga is a 10 is power 9. Multiple factor of exa. Exa, it's a 10 is power 18. Exa is a 10 is power 18. So it's a correct option is 10 is power 18. Another question for you, the multiple factor of a zeta. Zeta is what? It's a zeta, it's a representation. Mega, zepto tan 21, so it's a zeta is also 21. Another question, the multiple factor of a tera. Tera means a 10 is power 12. 1 tera is equal to 10 is power 12. 1 tera is equal to 10 is power 12. Another question for you. Next question, 79. The multiple factor of a mega is 10 is power 1 mega, 10 is power 6. 10 is power 6 is a representation of a mega. 1 mega is equal to 10 is power 6. The multiple factor of a deca. 1 deca. Deca means 10 is power 1. 10 is power 1. Another question for you. The dimension formula for 8 joules. 1 joule, 2 joule, 8 joule, 20 joule. Many joule we don't know. Many joule we don't know. The dimension of a joule is the same. ml is square, T inverse is square. Another question. The foundation of a dimension analysis was led by Galileo? No. Newton? No. Joule? No. Yes, exactly. Fourier is the name of a scientist who was established the concept of a dimension analysis. Which of the following is not a name of a physical quantity? Velocity is a physical, force is a physical quantity, meter, but density is not a physical quantity. From an expression F is equal to 1 upon T. What's the dimension of a tree? Frequency is reciprocal. It's 1 upon T. So it's a T, the dimension of a T. M0, R0, it's a T. In any condition, the dimension of a time is T. Which set of the unit include a supplementary quantities? This is not, this is not, this is not. Correct option is A. Radian, steradian is or the set of a supplementary quantities. Another question for you. 5 kilometer square. 5 kilometer square is equal to 5 into 10 is power 3 square, 5 into 10 is power 6 meter. The correct option is C. Correct option is C. Another question. If the measurement scale has a least count 20 kg, then the 6000 kg, the significant figures are same. Here 0 is not considered. These three zeros are not considered. That's why significant figure always 1. Steradian is an angle of steradian. Steradian is an angle of 3-dimensional. It's a 3-dimensional angle x, y, z. X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. This is a 3-dimensional structure. 1 year is equal to 3.15 into 10 is power 7 second. 1 year is equal to 365 into 24 into 60 into 60. It's a multiplication giving the answer 3.15 into 10 is power 7 second. Hope viewers you are enjoying the MCQs. If you are enjoying, please press the bell icon. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. From expression 2s is equal to vf square minus vi square. Dimension of a velocity is, the dimension of velocity always LT inverse. The correct option is C. In any expression, the dimension of a velocity is LT inverse. Which of the following is not a unit of a length? Meter, kilometer, centimeter. But radian is not a unit. So correct option is a D. Which is the correct unit of energy? No, no, horsepower, no. Yes, kilowatt hour is the correct unit of energy. Another question for you. Which of the following physical quantity has a dimension ml square, T inverse square? Yes, you are thinking right. It is the torque. It is the torque. Another question for you. Which of the following quantity express wrong unit? Current is equal to Kelvin. In first you are thinking that it's wrong. All are correct. Only one is wrong. Which of the following quantity having different dimension? Energy, work, torque and kinetic energy, force and weight, and mass and time. Which is the correct representation? Same, 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 different. Correct option is a D. 0 digits between the two non-zero are always considered as significant digits. From expression E is equal to mc square, unit of mass is joule, kilogram, newton, meter per second. Unit of mass always kilogram. How many significant figure in 5.000? How many? All are considered a significant figure. How many? 4 significant figures or digits in this number. From expression f is equal to minus kx, x always distant, and the unit of a distance always meter. Unit of a displacement always meter. Another question for you. Last question of this video. The diameter of a nickel is 2 centimeter. What is the circumference? Circumference is 2 pi r. 2 into 3.14 into 2. So it's equal to 12.28 centimeter. Correct option is B. So these are all the MCQs concerned with the introduction physics. Hope viewers you enjoy the MCQs. These are best MCQs. And if any query you may comment, I will reply you in detail. If you have confusion in any MCQs, I will reply you in comment. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe. If you enjoy the lecture, please press the like button. Hope in next lecture we will discuss scalar vector. God bless you. Thank you so much. Meet you again. Don't miss me. Thank you.